Okay guys, so what I want to do today is give you a little bit of a follow-up video to a video I did a few months back, and it's with respect to LMR's short throw shifter. Okay, this is their Econoshift, I believe they call it. It's the bargain barrel kind of shifter, short throw shifter. Okay, so we're talking $60, $70 type thing, not the $200, $300, $400 one. Now, the background on this shifter is it is very econo. I think in my opinion, it's fairly well built, okay? But do you want to be like, you know, manhandling gears and shifting like a gorilla with it? I don't know, maybe you could handle it. I'm personally not doing that with it. I just wanted something that was going to firm up my shifter and bring it a little bit closer to the console. Just make it a little nicer to drive, that's all. So that's why I went with this. Now, initially I had an issue with it. Like ergonomically, this thing didn't seem to make any sense to me. And now to explain that a little bit better, I'm going to tie you over into my video I did a couple of months back to explain that situation. I was driving the car the other day. I had a wheel alignment appointment, and as I'm driving it, I thought, geez, it just feels like the stick is way over, like almost like first should be where third is and third's where fifth is. It felt really odd. And then, so anyway, I got my wheel alignment done, and I got home, and I got looking at this section of the shaft. Now to you guys, I don't know if this may be spun around on camera, but essentially, the way this thing is bent, it bends the shifter away from you and towards the passenger. It's the oddest thing. So I thought, okay, well, maybe I could flip it around and bring it towards me. But what that ends up doing is it moves the gear shifter forward and towards like the heat and stereo. So now that you've seen what I was dealing with, here's the other half of the story. So I'm laying around the other night kind of melting my mind on some YouTube videos, and in the corner of my YouTube screen shows up a video of LMR's Econoshift shifter, and it's done by LMR. Okay, so this is Landon that does their recent videos and stuff. I thought, oh, what the heck, I'll check it out. So I'm watching the video, and at the very start of the video, Landon lays out all the parts on the table that come in this Econoshift shifter kit. And I'm looking, I'm like, I had to pause it. I went, geez, that little blue chunk of cast aluminum, his doesn't look bent. Why the heck was mine bent, right? So whatever, watched the rest of the video, and then I thought, I wonder if I should reach out to LMR and mention this to him. Like, maybe I ordered the wrong one, or maybe something got screwed up in shipping. I don't know. Now, I have had, and this is something I want to make a really solid point of saying to everyone out there, and before I say this, I'm going to preface it. I'm going to tell you, this is from the bottom of my heart. No one's paying me to say this. I'm just giving you my experience, and I hope that the community benefits from hearing my experience, okay? I've had like one, maybe two other situations pop up where I've ordered stuff from LMR, and when I open the box, something's not right, or something's missing, or whatever. And this kind of stuff happens, right? Let's be honest. They're a huge company. They're shipping stuff all over the world. It's gonna happen. So one of them was, I ordered diamond clear headlights for my green coupe. All excited to get them, open the box, as soon as I take them out of the box, the lens falls off. I'm thinking, oh man. And I think this was probably the first time I'd ever had a situation like this pop up with LMR. I'm thinking, oh geez, this is gonna hurt. Like, plus, for those of you that watch me, you know I'm all the way up in Canada. Shipping's not cheap, it takes forever, there's duty, all the bad stuff that comes with living up here. I reached out to customer service, sent them some photos, and like, boom, immediately I get a tracking number. Nope, this is on us, product failure, boom, here's your new ones. I'm like, really? I don't have to pay shipping, nothing? Like, we get beat down so hard in today's day and age where like customer service isn't a thing anymore, and it absolutely breaks my heart. I'm a small town kid. Like I come from a place where people help each other out. You help your neighbors, you help people on the side of the road broken down, you know? And I get kind of sore every once in a while because I find that's going away. Like, nobody does that stuff anymore. I'm here to tell you, LMR's doing that. Like, I guarantee this is on their walls. It's in their mission statement. It has to be, because I've never, ever, ever had them tell me to pound sand, ever, when like every other company in the world tends to do that a lot. Anyway, back to my story. So I reach out to LMR. I'm like, hey guys, here's the deal. You know, I got this shifter some time ago, like late summer last year, and I don't know what the deal is, but I seem to have received like a bent connecting cast aluminum piece. And I watched Landon's video, and I don't think that that's supposed to be like that. So back and forth a couple times on emails. I sent them a link to my video to say like, here, you know, I kind of probably explain it a little bit better in the video than I could over email. Tracking number. I'm like, holy smokes. Like, it just blows my mind. Now, you know, I kind of slipped my mind. I forgot that the package was coming. I get a call from my wife, and she says, hey, there's a box on the step from LMR. What are you late night ordering now, right? I'm thinking, uh-oh, I'm on the poop list now. Anyway, get home, and I'm thinking, wonder why it came in a box. Like, all I needed was that blue cast piece. Well, crack the box. Not only did I get the straight, correct blue cast piece, LMR just fires me over a whole brand new shifter. Like, yeah, my mind just blown instantly. Like, you don't have to do that. All I need is the blue piece. But I mean, it's probably, again, part of their mission statement or something, like defective product, get them a new product. Keep these guys happy. So I want to take a moment here, and I think I speak for a lot of us when I say this, like, LMR, if you're watching, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, you guys are absolutely killing it. We couldn't enjoy these cars like we do without you guys. And at least I'll speak for myself. I can't say enough good things about you guys. You guys are really, honestly killing it. So thanks very much. Okay, now anyway, back to the shifter. I really enjoyed this shifter, guys. Like I said, it's 60 or 70 bucks. Let's be honest, you've made worse decisions at the bar with 60 or 70 bucks. So if you're thinking about doing this, go out and get one. Like, it does, if you're gonna drive your car like I do, cruising, and all you wanna do is just firm up your shifter, this is the rig. It's great, okay? I've got I can't even remember what type it is in my green coupe. It's one of the more expensive ones. I don't notice any difference. It's the same. And I drive the cars the same, so both do the job. It's just one you pay more money for. So anyway, hope that helps. Now guys, if you got any questions or comments, please by all means hit me up. I love chatting with you guys. If there's something that you got a question, you're thinking about buying this shifter and you got questions, I love helping. This is why I do these videos. I love helping the community. So hit me up, please. And one last time, LMR, thank you. We really appreciate you. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.